Hello, Anil. For which examination you are preparing?
Sir, RCFL. I got shortlisted for attending interview.
Okay. At what date your interview will be?
10th. December 10th.
10th of
December.
December. And you are belongs to the mechanical or civil?
Civil.
Civil. So, okay, we were just discuss about the SOM. So, can you differentiate between the beam structure and a column? How can you differentiate between them? How can you say that member is a beam, column, or a strut?
Beam is a horizontal member in a structure, and column is a vertical member.
Okay. Or a strut?
Strut is a compression member in a truss.
Okay. So, can you just tell me what do you mean by fatigue load?
Fatigue load means it's a repeated load.
Okay. What do you mean by endurance limit?
What's that?
Endurance limit.
Endurance limit. It is the maximum fatigue load that can be applied to a material without causing any failure, which means maximum load cycles which will not cause failure.
Okay. So can you just explain me what do you mean by theory of failures? Why we use the theory of failure?
Theory of failures. Theory of failures. There are 6 theories. Actually, it is each theory is for different material, for ductile material, brittle, and ductile and brittle material. Each specifies the limit up to which stress can be applied. So that's all I know. I didn't refer to the theories.
Which theory is applicable for the brittle material?
Brittle material, uniaxial theory, first theory. I'm not remembering.
What's its name? Which theory is applicable for which best theory is applicable for ductile material?
Ductile material, octahedral theory, I think.
Okay.
Actually, yeah, I remembered, but I didn't refer to the SOM. That's it.
Okay. So can you just tell me the variation of a bending stress with respect to a depth of beam?
Bending stress is linear. Maximum at the 0 at the neutral axis and maximum at the extreme fibers.
Okay. Why?
I means
why its variation like that?
Actually, actual variation is not linear. We assume that there are many assumptions that each sections will remain planar even after bending. So the strain is linear. We assume the strain in each fiber is linear. So stress is directly proportional to strain. So it is linear.
Can you just tell me the variation of a shear stress?
Shear stress variation is parabolic.
Which shear stress variation is parabolic? How many types of shear stress can be acted on the member?
Transverse shear, longitudinal shear, transverse shear and longitudinal shear.
Okay, transverse and longitudinal
shear and torsional shear. Torsional two types, transverse and longitudinal shear.
What is the difference between transverse and torsional shear stress?
Transverse shear is which acts along the cross section of the beam. Longitudinal is in the direction perpendicular to cross section.
Again, speak. What do you want
to? Transverse shear is which acts along the cross section of the beam.
Okay.
Longitudinal shear is which acts perpendicular to cross section. Yeah.
I think you are confused about that.
Sir, if you place too many logs of wood to form a beam, then the shear between each log is the longitudinal in that plane.
Not side is I will just give it a review at that. What do you mean by Mohr circle? Why we use the Mohr circle?
Mohr circle is used to find the failure envelope of a material. At what stress it will fail, and to find the stresses in each plane. Stresses in each plane.
Why we need a Mohr circle?
I mean, we can, while drawing the Mohr circle, we can find the limit up to which each stress can be applied, so that we can find the maximum shear stress up to which we can apply, and maximum normal stress. Every maximum limits can be found out from Mohr circle just by knowing any two values, by applying any stress.
If a member is subjected to a point load in a cantilever beam, so how the shear force diagram and a bending moment diagram came? If a cantilever beam is subjected to a point load at their period, so how the shear force diagram and the bending moment diagram?
Shear force diagram is uniform and bending moment diagram is linear with triangular variation.
Okay. If the same member is subjected to the movement, then what will happen?
Okay. Then shear stress won't be there, and bending moment variation will be uniform.
Uniform. How the diagram look like?
Just a box.
Rectangular.
Yeah, rectangular.
Okay. What do you mean by point of contraflexure?
Point of contraflexure is the point at which bending moment changes its sign.
Bending moment changes its
sign.
Okay. What do you mean by Poisson's ratio?
What's up? Adding.
What do you mean by Poisson's ratio?
Poisson's ratio is the ratio between the longitudinal lateral strain to longitudinal strain.
What is its maximum and minimum value? What is the range of Poisson's ratio?
Maximum is minus 0.5 to 1, and for engineering materials it is 0 to 1.
0 to 1?
0 to 1.
For which material it's 0?
Cork.
For which material it's 1?
1 it is for rubber.
So Anadu, I will just give you the feedback. I think you have just little requirement of a revision, because some of the concepts it's not clear to you. So many things I will just notice that it's require a little bit effort. So try to revise all the steps of material, so you can just comfortable with that and give the answer more accurate and in a proper way.
Okay, sir. I didn't actually revise. Today only I just enrolled for this package. I will just revise.
Next time whenever you just give the mock, so please revise it.
Okay sir, okay.
जब भी फायदा होगा जब आपको खुद को पता होगा. अब जैसा आप मिस्टेक 1-2 करो तो we will try to enhance your knowledge and also correct your knowledge. But if you are not knowing the basics, it not be possible to teach you each and everything. So first of all, try to improve your basics, revise all the concept. Then we will ask some good questions and some of the higher advanced level things so that you can just give the advantage of the mock interview.
Okay, sir.
And thank you so much. There is no issue regarding the delivering of that. Sometimes
Okay,
maybe
sir.
little bit you are just going to be confused to give answer. So that is required for revision only.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will revise.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.